Wish the grace would hit me, yeah. Watch my hype man build me, yeah. About to lose my mind, I think I'm catching that hysteria. Back like Szechuan sauce, with my day ones coming on top. Making hits in the beat still not. Had a great year, hope that's not stop, yeah. Young Josh, yeah, I'm sorry, had you waiting. Swear to God, man, fans so impatient. Working hard, gotta put on my apron, cause I'm cooking up tracks like bacon. 2 months and I got another mixtape. Writing lyrics, more bars than an inmate. Better get the best play like SBs. People dead and me messed up like Pepsi, whoa. Been in the game, it's not new to me, whoa. My flow is going through puberty, whoa. Had to switch up, they got used to me, ayy. Taking over just like Unity, whoa. Can't believe my life real, man, I got the best deal, I quit my job. Could've been stuck in that part-time, but I'm getting paid off front, so I say thank God, yeah. I've been out here chillin', I've been on my lonely vibe.